Hello. Hello. Now you guys are getting my voice. Right. So now we'll see. So in last class we are discussing about set data structure. Set data structure. So we have seen when we will go for list data structure and when we will go for tuple data structure and when we will go for set data structure. Here 3 points we have to concentrate. So coming to list, insertion order is allowed. Insertion order is allowed. Duplicates are allowed. Duplicates are allowed, and it is mutable. Mutable. Then we have to go for list. Right here, elements are not fixed. Elements are not fixed, and elements keep on changing. And insertion order is preserved. Duplicates are allowed. Then we have to go for this list. And next tuple. Tuple in the sense here insertion order is preserved. Duplicates are allowed. Duplicates are allowed and immutable. Immutable. Then we have to go for tuple data structure. So next set data structure. Here insertion order is not preserved. Duplicates are not allowed and mutable. Then we have to go for set data structure. Right here in set, when we will go for set, to represent a group of unique elements, there is no duplicates. To represent group of unique elements, then we have to go for set data structure. When we will go for tuple data structure, if the elements are fixed and there is no changes and insertion order is required, duplicates also allowed, then we have to go for tuple data structure. When we will go for list data structure, the elements are not fixed and elements are keep on changing. Insertion order is preserved and duplicates are allowed. Then we have to go for list data structure. Right? So we are discussing about a set. When we will go for set, to represent group of unique elements as a single entity, we have to go for set data structure. To represent group of unique elements as a single entity, then we have to go for set data structure. Then we have to go for set data structure. To represent a group of unique elements as a single entity, we have to go for set data structure. Here insertion order is not preserved. Duplicates are not allowed. And it won't supports indexing and slicing. when it will provide support to indexing and slicing. If insertion order is preserved, then only it will provide support to indexing and slicing. Then only it will provide support to indexing and slicing. But here insertion order is not preserved. Insertion order is not preserved, then it won't provide support to indexing and slicing. Then it won't provide support to indexing and slicing. So next here, the elements are enclosed with curly braces. Right, if you go for list data structure, in a list the elements are enclosed with what? Square brackets. If you go for tuple data structure, the elements are enclosed with what? Parentheses. Right, in set the elements are enclosed with curly braces. In set elements are enclosed with curly braces. And next, one more thing what we have to see, list is mutable. List is mutable. Tuple is immutable. What about set? Set is mutable. Set is mutable. Mutable in the sense what? Mutable means what? We can able to modify the content. Such type of things are called mutable. And after creating the object, we can perform changes. Such type of things are called mutable. Such type of things are called mutable at here. Right, set is mutable. Here you guys have to remember these points. And regarding set, related to set, you guys have to remember these points. To represent a group of unique elements, as a single entity. Here why I am saying unique elements? Inside a set there is no duplicates. Inside a set there is no duplicates. That's why I am saying set is unique. To represent a group of unique elements as a single entity, then we have to go for set data structure. Right, insertion order is not preserved. Duplicates are not allowed. It won't support indexing and slicing. The elements are enclosed with curly braces. Set is mutable. First point, insertion order is not preserved. And here it supports indexing. The elements are not storing, the elements are not inserted based on index. So insertion order is not preserved. Duplicates are not allowed. And it won't support indexing and slicing. The elements are enclosed with the square brackets and set is mutable. Right. So now I want to create set object. How to create set object? How it look like? S is equal to curly brace 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 like this. And one more point what we have to take it here, it allows both homogeneous and heterogeneous type of data. Any type of data you can insert. Any type of data you can take inside this curly braces. Right. Here this is the setted. Right. Here you can observe it here. There is no duplicates. There is no duplicates and the elements are enclosed with curly braces. Hence this is the set object. If you want to create a set object, how we can able to create? By using the elements we can create set object like this. By using the elements we can able to create the set object like this. If you want you can check it here. If you want you can check it here. See, S is equal to, I am taking like this, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So now what is the type of S? What is the type of S? Just it will return set data structure. S is set. S is a set data structure. Now if you print S, what you will get? Here you will get 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 like this. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 like this we are getting. Right, here we can't able to expect the order and we can't able to expect the order. Here we are getting 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Next time it may be changed. Why? Because insertion order is not preserved. We don't know in which location 100 is stored, in which location 200 is stored, all those things. And why? Because based on index it is not storing. So that's why we can't able to expect the order. We can't able to expect the order in which order we will get the output. So like this we can able to take the set object. If you know the elements, by using those elements how we can able to create set object. Like this we can able to create set object. Like this we can able to create set object. Next time, boss, I want to create one empty set object. I want to create one empty set object. How we can able to create? Please respond. How we can able to create empty set object? Please respond. How we can able to create empty set object? Now here I want to create one empty set object. How to create that? Please respond on chart window. How to create empty set object? Right. See, and you guys have to take very special care at here. And S is equal to, if you guys take like this, open curly brace and close curly brace. Now here if you guys ask what is the type of S, what is the type of S, what it will return? What is the type of S, what it will return it here? Please respond. I want you guys respond and you guys have to respond. What we will get it here? Type of S. See, here type of S means what we will get? Right, see here we won't get a set. This is not set. Right, now it will return dict and not set. It will return dict. See, here it will return dict. This is not a set. While taking empty set, we have to take special care. Why? Because dictionary elements also enclosed with curly braces only. How we are taking set elements inside curly braces? Tomorrow for dictionary elements also, for key value pairs also, we have to take curly braces only. In that case, S is equal to open curly brace and close curly brace means it will treat as this is the empty dictionary. This is the empty dictionary. It won't treat as this is the empty set. If you take like this, it will treat this is the empty dictionary. It is not empty set. This is not empty set. Then how we can able to represent empty set object? How we can able to take empty set object? By using set function. S is equal to set, like this. By using set function only we can able to create empty set object. Like this we have to take it. Like this we have to take set function. Here what is this? This is the set function. By using set function only we can able to create empty set object. By using curly braces, if you try to create set object, what it will return? It will return dict type. It will return that is the dict, and it will consider as a dict. It won't consider as empty set. Now here if you ask type of yes, now what it will return? Now this is the set. Now this is the set. Open curly brace and close curly brace means this is not empty set. What is this? This is the dictionary. Right? How you can able to create empty set object? By using set function we can able to create empty set object. Is it clear? Is it clear? How we can able to create empty set? By using this set function. And open and close curly braces are not allowed. Dictionary elements also enclosed with this curly braces only. In that case, if you try to create a set object, empty set object with this curly braces, it will treat as empty dictionary. It won't consider as empty set. How you can able to create empty set object? By using this set function. By using this set function only we can able to create a empty set object. Right? So now, how to add this? How to add the data to the set? And here see, like this we can able to take S is equal to set of range. Any iterable object we have to pass to here. Here what we have to pass? To this set function we have to pass any iterable object, like this range of 10. So now what it will return? What it will return? Yes means, see, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 it will return. Don't feel insertion order is preserved only. Sometimes it will return like that, and insertion order is not preserved. So here you can take like this also. Set of Python. Is it a iterable object or not? Yes, and is it iterable object or not? Yes, multiple characters are there. So now if you print yes, what it will return? Like this. Are you getting in proper order? First P, second Y, next T, next H? No, we are getting in some different order. And H, O, Y and P, T. Insertion order is not preserved. Right here the elements are enclosed with what? Curly braces. Hence this is the set object. S is the set object. Clear this one? How we can able to create set object? If you have the elements, you know the elements. By using those elements we can create set object like this. If you want to create empty set object, by using set function we can able to create empty set object. To that empty set, how we can able to pass the data to set function? Right here we have to take any iterable object like this. Any iterable object. Suppose here I am taking like this, and set of 10 I am taking like this. Right, so 10 I am taking like this. See here what we are getting? Type error, int object is not iterable. If you take like this, what it will return? This is not iterable object. This is single integer. So we can't able to pass that int object to set function. Then what we have to pass? We have to pass only iterable objects. Only iterable objects we have to pass to this set function. But here you are passing integer number. You are passing just integer. So that's why it is returning type error, int object is not iterable. Here what we have to pass? Only either list you can pass list, range, string, these kind of iterable objects only we have to pass. If you pass a single element like this, what it will return? It will return just like type error. Clear? Suppose here if I pass like this, If I pass like this, s is equal to set of, right, like this I am passing. Now it won't return any error. Inside quotes I am taking, it will treat it as a string only. This is the string object only. So inside curly braces you will get that single element only like this. Clear? To the set function we have to pass only iterable objects. If you pass integer type of objects and all those things, it will return type error. Right? Now, if you want to add any element, right, how you can able to add? And here I have s is equal to set like this I have. So this is the empty set object I have. Now I want to add one element to this set. How we can able to add? By using this add function. By using add function we can able to add. If you go for list, in list if you want to add any element, to this list, which function is available? Append function is available. In list we have append function. Coming to set we have to use add function to add the elements to set. To add a single element to set we have to go for this add function. How to add? We'll see. Here I want to add the elements. S is equal to set a function I am taking like this. Now I want to add the elements. How you can able to add? Very simple. S dot add of 100. Now if you print S, what you will get? 100 you will get inside curly brace. Now S dot add of Python. S dot add of Django. S dot add of true, boolean value I am passing, true. Now what is the type of S? If you ask what is the type of S, then what it will return? It is a set. Now if you ask to print the elements, S means what it will print? It will print some different order, and here we are not getting in proper order. First we are getting true, next we are getting 100, next we are getting Python, next we are getting Django. True, 100, Python, Django, like this we will get. True, 100, Python, Django. These are the elements we added to set. So these are the elements which we added to set. Right? If you want to add single element, to set, which function we have to use? Add function. By using add function, we can able to add single element to set object. By using append function, we can able to add single element to list object. Don't get confused. In list, we have to use append function. In set, we have to use add function. For tuple, which function we have to use? Please respond. For tuple, which function we have to use? Please respond. For tuple, which function we have to use to add the elements? Please respond in chat window. I am waiting for your answer. Here we can't able to, very good, and we can't able to add the elements to tuple. We can't able to add the elements to tuple, and there is no function. If you use append function to add the elements to tuple, what it will return? Attribute error it will return. There is no attribute append in tuple. Like that, it will return attribute error, and we can't able to add the elements to tuple. So there is no predefined functions. For tuple to add the elements. Here for list append function, for set add function. Now observe very carefully. By using add function, at a time how many number of elements we can able to add. By using add function, at a time how many number of elements we can able to add. Please respond. How many number of elements we can able to add by using add function? Only one element. Only one element we can able to add. But my requirement is I want to add group of elements. I want to add multiple elements to set object. I want to add multiple elements to set object at a time. How we can able to add? How we can able to add? See here I have s is equal to set like this. S is equal to set like this I have. Now by using add function we can able to add single element. But my requirement is I want to add multiple elements. How we can able to add? For that we have one more function which is nothing but update function. Update function. By using this update function we can add a multiple number of elements to set object. How you can able to use this update function? How to use update function? How to use this update function? See here now s dot update of 10 comma 20 comma 30 like this. Like this if I add, what it will return? It will work or not? Please respond. Can I add like this? Please respond. Can I add like this? See here I am taking one empty set object like this set. So now here what I am going to do, s dot update of 10 comma 20 comma 30. Can I add like this? Please respond. Please respond. We can't able to add like this. We can't able to add like this. If you try to do like this, immediately it will return error. Immediately it will return error. Yes boss, set is mutable. We can able to add. Lahari, we can't able to add like this. If you try to add like this, immediately it will return error. Why? To this update function, we have to pass iterable object only. But here what we are passing? We are passing single integer, single int values like this. These are not iterable and single int values we are passing. But what we have to pass it here? We have to pass only iterable object. Now here what it will return? Type error, int object is not iterable. Int object is not iterable. Then how we can able to add the elements to set function, set object by using update function? Then how we can able to add multiple elements to set by using update function like this. See, s dot update of see range of 5 comma range of 101 comma 106 like this we can able to pass. See here, is this iterable object or not? Range of 5 means right, it will return 0 to 4 numbers. Right, range of 101 comma 106, is it iterable or not? Yes. What it will return? It will return 101 to 105. So now by all these elements 0 to 4 and 102 105, all those elements will be added to set at a time. All these elements will be added to this set at a time. By using this update function, we can able to add multiple number of elements to set object. But here we have to pass only iterable objects to this set update function. We have to pass only iterable objects to this update function. If you pass single elements like this, it will return type error, int object is not iterable. Here range is iterable or not? Range is iterable or not? Here you can pass any number of things. If you want, you can take Python also like this. Python also iterable only, right? Range is iterable only, this one iterable only, and this one also iterable only. Like this you can pass any number of iterable objects like this. Any number of iterable objects you can pass like this to this update function. With all these values, it will create one set object. So now see, and no error, no error. If you try to print yes, what you will get? See what you are getting. Right, first range of G5 means what it will return? 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next range of 101, 106 means what it will return? 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Next Python means what it will return? NPYTHON. Like this. Like this. It will return set object like this. Is it clear? What we have to pass to this update function? Only iterable objects we have to pass. Single elements we can't able to pass. What we have to pass? Only iterable objects we have to pass. By using add function, we can able to add a single element at a time. By using add function, we can able to add a single element at a time. Suppose if you want to add multiple elements, what we have to do? We have to go for update function. But to this update function, we have to pass only iterable objects as the arguments. We have to pass only iterable objects as the arguments, then only it will work. Otherwise it will return type error. Otherwise it will return type error like this. Clear? So now what is the difference between add function and update function? Clear? What is the difference between add and update function? By using add function, we can able to add a single element to set. By using add function, we can able to add single element to set. By using update function, we can able to add multiple number of elements to set. Alright. So next one more thing. Suppose if you want to remove the elements, if you want to remove the elements from set, how we can able to remove? If you want to remove the elements from the set, how we can able to remove? How we can able to remove? I have s is equal to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. This is my set. Now I want to remove the elements from set. How we can able to remove? Very simple. Already you guys know which function is available. By using a remove function. S dot remove. S dot remove of which element we have to remove? We have to specify that element. Which element you want to remove? That element we have to specify it here. Here I am providing 300. S dot remove of 300. So now if you print yes, what it will return? 300 is gone. There is no 300. We will get 100, 200, 400, 500. 300 is removed. 300 got removed yet here. Right? So here we have one more function is available. We have one more function is there to remove the elements. Which function is there? Which function is there? One more function. One more function what we have? Here we have one more function to remove the elements, which is discard function. Discard function. By using this discard function also, we can remove the specified element. Right? So boss, here we have remove function. We have remove function and discard function also. What is the difference between these two? Right, here also we have to specify some element. Here also we have to specify the element to remove. Here also we have to specify the element, and here also we have to specify the element. Then what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? Remove function and discard function. Both are doing same. Both are doing same activity, removing the elements from the set. Then what is the difference between these two? There is no difference. If there is no difference, why we have two separate names? If there is no difference, why we have two separate names? Here also there is no difference. Then what we have two names separately? Here one small difference is there. What is that difference? We'll see. We'll see what is the difference between those two. We'll see what is the difference between those two at here. So now here S is equal to, I am going to take like this, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, like this I am taking it here. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, I took like this. So now what I am going to do? By using remove function, S dot remove, S dot remove of 100. So what it will happen? 100 is got removed. 100 is got removed it here. Now S dot remove of 1000. 1000 and so now tell me, 1000 is available? 1000 is available inside set? No, 1000 is not available. But I am trying to remove that element. So now what it will return? Simply it will return key error. Key error, it will return like this. Key error 1000. This 1000 is not available. If the specified element is not available, then remove function will return key error. If the specified element is not available inside set, then remove function will return key error like this. Clear? If the element is available, if the specified element is available, it will remove that element from the set. Suppose if the specified element is not available, then what it will return? Simply it will return key error. Simply it will return key error. Okay, no problem. So now here S dot discard of 200. 200 is available or not? Yes, available. Now what it will do? It will remove that 200. It will remove that 200. Now if you print yes, you will get 300, 400, 500. In the right, if the specified element is available, both remove function and discard function will remove that element. If the specified element is available inside a set, both remove function and discard function, what it will do? It will remove that element from the set. In that case, there is no difference. Now observe very carefully. Here S dot discard of 2000. 2000 is available inside set? No, 2000 is not available. 2000 is not available. Now observe very carefully. Here only difference. Right. In the case of remove function, if the specified element is not available inside the set, what it will do? It will return key error like this. But coming to discard function, if the specified element is not available inside the set, discard function won't return any error. Discard function won't return any error. See, and here we are not getting any error. And if it is there, it will remove. Otherwise, it won't remove anything and it won't return any error also. Clear? See, same elements are there. Discard function is not returning any error if the specified element is not available. Is it clear? What is the difference between remove function and discard function? In both the cases, if the specified element is available, it will remove that element. But in remove function case, if the specified element is not available, remove function will return key error. But coming to discard function, if the specified element is not available, discard function won't return any error. Is it clear? Please respond. You guys are clear? Remove function and discard function differences? Right. So next function, next my requirement is I want to remove all the elements inside a set. Whatever the elements are there, I want to remove all those elements. How we can able to remove? By using S dot clear function. S dot clear function. What clear function will do? It will remove all the elements from the set. Now inside S, what elements are there? These are the elements. 300, 400, 500 are there. Now here I am going to apply clear function. What clear function will do? Inside S, whatever the elements are there, it will clear all those elements. It will clear all those elements. Now here see, S means empty set function. Here see, observe very carefully at here. Here it is not returning empty curly braces and here it is not returning open curly brace and close curly brace and empty set object means what? This is set function only. You guys are got clear that? Here empty set means set object, set function it is returning and it is not returning like open curly brace and close curly brace. Clear? Right, here all the elements are cleared and after removing all the elements, what else we have? This empty set function only. Empty set object only we have. Clear? Now here I want to delete that set also. I want to delete that complete object and what we have to do? del keyword is there. del of yes, del of yes and del of yes. And now that yes object also got deleted. Complete object got deleted. Now if you try to access that yes, what it will return? It will return name error, name yes is not defined. Here you are deleting that complete object and after deleting complete object, how you can able to get that object again? How you can able to get that object and you deleted? Complete object you deleted, how you will get it here? So here what it will return? Name error, name yes is not defined. Name yes is not defined. Name yes is not defined. Clear? Up to here any doubts? Please respond. We have to discuss some more functions. Up to here any doubts? Please respond, then only I can able to continue. Right. So now S is equal to 100 comma S is equal to 100 comma 200 comma 300 comma 400 comma 500. Right. So now here to remove the elements, right, what functions we discussed? Remove function is there, discard function is there, and one more function is there which is nothing but pop function. Pop function. Now tell me, right, now tell me here, now tell me and here what it will return? Which element this pop function will remove and please respond. Which element this pop function will remove? Which element this pop function will remove and please respond. Returns. Okay, returns deleted element, I agree. Returns deleted element ID. See here we have only one case and we have only one case. The deleted element will return back and which is the pop function. Only pop function only will return that deleted element and pop function what it will do? It will remove and return. It will remove and return and but if you go for remove function won't return. If you go for discard function won't return and only pop function we have which will remove and return the element and okay. Now tell me which element it will remove? Which element it will remove? I want you guys want to tell that element and here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 is there. Now which element it will remove and return? Please respond. Which element it will remove and return? last element got deleted. So what is the last element? What is the last element? Here what is the last element? How you can able to tell what is the last element at here? Here 500 is not last element and insertion order is not preserved. We don't know which one is the first element, which one is the second element, which one is the last element at here end. So you guys are telling last element it will remove only. How you can able to tell what is the last element, what is the first element? We don't know. We don't know that only. Then what element pop function will remove? We don't know that. Right here we can't able to say like last element it will remove only. In a list case only pop function will remove and return the last element only. But coming to set object, randomly it will remove and return the element. Right, from the given set, randomly it will remove and return the element, and here we can't able to say last element will remove. We can't able to say last element and randomly some element it will remove and return. Right, see now here see and 100 it is removed and 100 is the last element. We don't know that and so now again here I am using pop function. What it will remove? 200. Again I am using pop function. Right, what it will return? 300. We don't know that and randomly it will remove and return that element. Right, now to remove the elements from the object, total how many functions we discussed and 3 functions. One is pop function, remove function, discard function. In entry room if they ask what is the difference between pop, remove and discard, you guys have to explain very clearly. Right, clear, right? What is the difference between pop, remove and return? What pop will do? It will remove and return the element. What remove function will do? It will remove only specified element. If the specified element is not available, then remove function will return the key error. What discard function will do? Discard function will remove the specified element. If the specified element is not available, discard function won't return any error. Clear? Differences between pop, remove and discard functions. Right, here pop function is there, remove function is there, discard function is there. By using clear function we can clear that object and all elements we can remove. Clear? Right, so now S is equal to 100 comma 200 comma 300 comma 400, like this I have. So like this I have. So now I want to create a duplicate object and I want to create exact one more object. Right, for that we have one function and which function? By using copy function. S1 dot copy. Sorry, S1 is equal to S dot copy function. What it will do? What this copy function will do? It will create a exact duplicate object. Cloning means what? Cloned object means duplicate object. Right, inside yes, whatever the content is there, with that content it will create one more object. S dot copy means what? Right, inside yes, whatever the content is there, with that content it will create one more object. That object is assigned to S1. S1 is the reference variable for that object. Now S1 means what it will print? See, and 200, 100, 400, 300, same content. S means what it will print? Same content, like this it will return. By using copy function, what we can do? Already we discussed somewhere in a list and aliasing and cloning. By using copy function, we can able to create exact duplicate object. We can able to create exact cloned object by using copy function. By using copy function. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any explanation is required? right అండి. So now here, so we have one more function and we have one more function which is nothing but union function and union function. By using this union function, what we can do and by using union function, what we can do? Suppose assume I have two set objects and a comma b. A comma b. A is one set object, b is one set object and if you apply union between these two objects, what it will return? It will return all the elements which are present inside a and b. And what union function will do? It will return all the elements which are available inside a and b. What union function will do? We can use this function to return all the elements which are present inside a and b. So now see here I am taking like this. A is equal to, so S1 is equal to, I am taking 100, 200, 300, 400. Now S2 is equal to 500, otherwise 1 minute, I will take like 300, 400, 500, 600. So like this I took it here. So now here S1 dot union of S2. S2 like this I am taking. S1 is one set object and S2 is another set object. What union function will do? In both the objects, whatever the element is there, whatever the data is there, it will return all that data. It will return complete data. Now here what you will get? Here what you will get like this 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Here again you won't get this 300 and 400 and why? Set is in set duplicates are not allowed and in a set duplicates are not allowed. So that's why 300 and 400 you will get only one time. Only one time and here what union function is doing? It is returning all the elements which are present inside S1 and S2. What it is doing? It is returning all the elements which are present inside S1 and S2. Right? We can use this union function right like this also. S1 or S2 also. R means what and all the elements you will get. Now here same result you will get like this and same result you will get like this and same one more function also is available which is nothing but intersection. One more function is available which is intersection. What this intersection will do? What this intersection will do and in A and B, right here whatever the common elements are there inside A and B, it will return only those elements. The elements which are present in both A and B. The elements which are present in both A and B, those elements only intersection function will return. So now observe it here. Now observe it here. Here what I am going to take like this. Right here S1, S2 is there, right? Now I am going to apply S1 dot intersection of S2. Now what intersection function will do? In both S1 and S2, whatever the elements, common elements are there, those common elements only it will return. Then what you will get? Common elements means 300 and 400 you will get like this. 300, 400, these are the common elements which are available in both S1 and S2. Right? You can use the intersection function like this also. S1 and S2. Like this also. Like this also we can use it. Union means or operator. Intersection means and operator you can use. And operator you can use it here. And one more thing, difference function also is there. What this difference function will do, Andy? What this difference function will do? Right, here A and B is there, and here what difference function will return? The elements which are present only in A but not in B. The elements which are present only in A but not in B, those elements it will return. What difference function will do? It will return the elements which are present only in A but not in B. Those elements difference function will return. Means what, Andy? Like this, Andy. Like this. Here S1, S2 is there, Andy. Here the elements which are present only in A and but not in B, Andy. Means what it will return? 100 and 200 is available only in S1 but not in S2. So here it will return S1 dot difference of S2. What it will return? Only 100 200 it will return. 100 200 it will return, right? So we can use this S1 minus S2 also. Difference means S1 minus S2, same it will return like this. Union means what it will return? All the elements which are available inside S1 and S2. Intersection means what it will return? The elements which are present, right, in both the sets, and the elements which are, right, the common elements which are present in S1 and S2 it will return. Next, difference function, and the elements which are available in S1 but not in S2, those elements it will return. Those elements it will return. Next one is one more function is there. One more function is there which is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference function. So this function, what it will do? Symmetric difference function. What symmetric difference function will do? The elements which are present in either X or Y but not in both. What it will return? The elements which are present in either A or B but not in both. Means what it will return at here? Observe very carefully at here, and observe at here. What it will return? The elements which are present in either S1 or S2 but not in both. Means what it will return? It will return 100 200 500 600. 100 200 500 600. The elements which are present in either S1 or S2 but not in both. Means you will get 100 200 500 600. What you will get it here? S1 dot symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of S2. What it will return? See, and S1 dot symmetric difference of S2 means 100 200 500 600. You will get like this. 100 200 500 600, like this you will get it here. Clear? Right? So like this, right, we have, right, these, right, we have so many predefined functions which are available inside set. Okay, so tomorrow I will take first 10 to 15 minutes I will complete this set, and I will start dictionary also tomorrow itself. Only it will take 10 to 15 minutes. Immediately I will start dictionary in tomorrow's session. Okay, thank you guys. Up to here clear? Any explanation is required up to here? Please confirm once. Please respond. Any explanation is required up to here? Okay guys. Okay, we'll continue in tomorrow's session. Thank you guys.